Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Make sure both Apple Watch and iPhone have juice and sit close together. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and confirm location services are on so Discovery works. Once done, wake the watch and press its side button to reveal the language screen. If configured already, tap the small eye to access pairing mode. You do this because the initial handshake uses Bluetooth for secure discovery and Wi-Fi for later data transfer. Now open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. The iPhone shows an animated viewfinder. Point your iPhone camera at the watch's animation until the devices confirm a match. This exchanges encrypted keys automatically. After pairing, choose Restore from Backup to keep apps and settings, or select Setup as New Watch to start fresh. Make sure you sign into your Apple ID when prompted and enable features like Find My and Activity. These allow continuity and backup across your devices. To finish, follow the Watch app prompts. Sign into your Apple ID, create or enter a passcode, choose settings for Siri and diagnostics, and select which apps to install. Syncing can take several minutes. Keep both devices nearby and on power to avoid interruptions. If pairing fails, restart both devices and confirm both run the latest iOS and watchOS. Toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or resetting network settings on the iPhone often resolves lingering issues. That single troubleshooting tip usually clears pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.